Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to start private conversation on Skype app on an Android device. Well, starting a private conversation on Skype allows you to have secure and confidential communication with someone. It is useful for discussing sensitive topics, sharing personal information, or simply having a private chat with a friend or colleague. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you can open Skype app. Well, and here select the conversation you need. And then click the profile here. So find out this option, tap on it. Okay, so now we can wait until they are accepted our invitation. Well, that's the tutorial on how to start private conversation on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.